Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a pairs trade on TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly visualize the price relationship between two assets, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, so you can spot opportunities and make more informed trading decisions. Whether you're totally new to pairs trading or just looking for a quick refresher on using TradingView, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, when you open up your TradingView chart, you'll usually see candlesticks by default. Before we compare two assets side by side, let's switch the view to a line chart. Why do we do this? A line chart is much cleaner when you're looking at multiple assets on one screen at the same time. It connects closing prices from each time period, which helps remove the noise that candlesticks introduce, especially when you're comparing movement between two different coins or stocks. So just look for the chart type icon at the top. It usually looks like a little candlestick, and click on it. From the dropdown, select line. That's it. Instantly, your chart will now show one smooth, continuous line representing your current asset's price over time, making it much easier to compare it with something else. Okay, now let's actually add the pair you want to monitor. At the top of your TradingView interface, you'll notice an option called Compare, or sometimes it might say Add Symbol. It's normally shown as a little plus sign, maybe overlapping a chart symbol. Go ahead and click on that. Now this is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to type in the ticker or symbol of the asset you want to add. For example, if you're starting with a Bitcoin chart and want to track Ethereum alongside it, just type Ethereum into the search field or use its ticker like ETHUSD. As you type, TradingView will offer suggestions. Once you see the correct one, just click it. Give it a moment and you'll see a new line appear on your chart. This second line is tracking your added asset, and now both assets are right there, overlaid on the same graph. Right away, you can start comparing their price action, see how they move in relation to each other, and spot moments where one diverges from the other. Think of this like tracking the pace of two runners in a race to see who's ahead or if they tend to move together. Now your chart might look a bit cluttered, especially if the prices of the two assets are on very different scales. Don't worry if it looks confusing at first. TradingView automatically normalizes the lines so you can see the trends, even if the absolute prices are miles apart. If you want to fine-tune how your chart looks, you can customize the chart settings. You might want to adjust the colors of each line for clarity, or try out % mode to view the performance of each asset relative to its own starting point. This is super helpful for pairs trading because it lets you compare percentage changes instead of just raw prices. The customization part is all up to your personal preference. You can make it as simple or as fancy as you like, and that's really it. You've just set up a powerful pairs comparison chart on TradingView. With just a few clicks, you can keep an eye on how two markets are interacting, which is so valuable if you're looking for pairs trading opportunities. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another TradingView trick you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.